That's a pretty color blue.
Oh, wow.
Look at that one. Look at his eyes.
This is just an open air exhibit with all kinds of birds. We're at the Toledo Zoo. It's just really exciting. That was live footage. Whoa. Oh, wait a minute. Look, she's smiling. I scream louder than the baby. Wow. Oh, we saw how this ends in the bird movie.
Come on, y'all. Let's.
Oh, yeah.
That would have been so funny if that was your live.
And what happened, Mom? Oh my God. That's horrible.
That was close.
Did you cry?
That was a long time ago.
How old were you?
Around about like 10.
Oh, wow.
I was mad. I was coming home from school. And the pigeon was...
And then you say your mother had just done your hair?
Yeah, and I did like that. And it was white and oh, I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. London, what do you think about these birds flying everywhere?
They're getting too close. I don't care. Come on, let's go.
You don't care too much?
No, I don't care.
You're not afraid?
You're not?
No? It was pretty exciting, huh? What do you think, Mattia?
What do you think?
Were you afraid a little bit? What do you think of the birds flying everywhere?
What do you think?
Which one is your prettiest? Which one is the prettiest? Show me.
The gray one?
Show me. Point at him. Point. Which one do you like the best? You like the one at the top or the green ones? Oh, that blue one. Oh, wow. Let me see if I can zoom in to get his pretty face. Oh, wow. He's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Such a pretty color. That's nice. Ooh, and look at this guy right here. Whoa. He's gorgeous. Let's see what else we can see in the aviary. Nikki, what do you think about the bird zooming past you? Marcia, what do you think?
I think they're beautiful.
Which one's your favorite?
I don't know if I have a favorite. Actually, the black and green birds over there.
The flock of green ones?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they're funny.
And here's a few factoids about them.
Okay.
There's one walking by.
I got you holding on to me.
All right, so I guess we're going to leave the bird exhibit.
Oh, yeah.
Cheerio. We'll come in with another video. Hey, everybody, say goodbye to YouTube. We're leaving the exhibit.
Oh, great.
Okay. This was really cool, 4th of July at the Toledo Zoo, and we stopped into the Aviary, which is also the bird exhibit. And you can see them all having a great time. All right, bye.
Vision is cool.